Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about remove attribute and remove class method. So first of all, create a new file and save this file. Remove and remove class.html, and then what I have to do, copy and paste here. Now what I have to do, I have to remove any attribute or class as we have provided. You can see that I have provided a class to this div element. This is jQuery, and also styling to this div element, its background, width and height. I want to say that uh, I want to say that it remove class. I want to remove its class. What class? Its class is jQuery. Class name is jQuery. Class name is jQuery. I want to remove this jQuery class and then remove this alert box and jQuery class. This class I want to remove. You can see that div is the HTML element which have a jQuery class. I want to remove that class. Now open this file in a browser, remove attribute and remove class, and then what you have to do, when I refresh, click me, you can see that this is a div. Only tags you are seeing, but styling is removed because styling is this one. This is a styling, and as we have removed class, styling will be removed already. As we have removed a class, its styling will be removed. That is why when we refresh and when click me, its style, all the style that includes in a jQuery class is removed. Another is a remove attribute. Remove attribute is used to remove any attribute. For example, h1 have attribute of title jQuery code. This is the title of h1. When I open, refresh this one, when I hover this heading, you can see that this is a title for this heading. I want to remove this attribute. How I can do this one? I have to pass attribute name. Attribute name is title. This title will be removed. When I refresh, click me, you can see that no title is displaying, but displaying, why displaying here? Title, sorry, I have to mention here h1 because I provided this title attribute to h1. That is why I have to select h1 and then again refresh, click me, hover this h1, you cannot see title. So this is the method remove attribute is used to remove any attribute from any HTML element. Another is a remove class that is used to remove any class from any HTML element.